In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a Google Docs professional resume. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. In this guide, you'll learn how to create, customize, and share a professional resume using Google Docs. Start by opening your browser and visiting the official Google Docs website. Sign into your Google account if needed, and once you're on the home page, you'll see different templates available. Instead of using a blank document, choose one of the resume templates from the template gallery. This gives you a professional layout right away and helps save time formatting everything yourself. Once the template opens, replace the sample text with your own information. Add your name, contact details, work experience, education, skills, and achievements. You can edit, remove, or add sections anytime to better fit your experience. As you customize the resume, try to keep everything clean and easy to read so it looks more professional. When you're done editing, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing settings, change the access option to anyone with the link. Then copy the link to share your resume easily. If you want to download a copy, open the File menu, select Download, and choose PDF format to keep the layout professional across devices. And that's it. Your Google Docs professional resume is now ready to use and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.